guys, time out, finish. Next one. Hello?
Are you comfortable in what you're wearing?
Yeah, for sure. It's very sophisticated.
Okay. To introduce their thoughts on why. Oh, sorry.
That's fine.
Where's the mic?
She's coming.
Okay. So this tastemaker does not need any introduction.
I would like one.
Oh, you like one. So, yeah.
Yeah,
How
I'm
introduce
meeting
you?
after so long. You better give me a nice introduction.
I'm stumped for words.
Sorry, I do that sometimes.
It's your presence. So, as everybody knows, I know, should I be telling them?
No.
Oh, Bipasha and me are great
Okay, we have
friends. Let's put
Malaika
it
here.
that.
Should we clap for Malaika?
Yeah.
Malaika.
Can we?
Yes.
We can whistle also.
Do you want to squeeze it there? Do you squeeze?
So, to begin with, first question.
I'm going to get prize, you know.
Huh? Are you looking for prize? You want prize?
Yeah. I want to take all my loot back home.
You're taking a look
We're
back
getting
home.
prizes for answering?
Yes.
I'm taking...
Correct answer.
Shalom. See, I'm very
competitive.
competitive, I'm telling you now. I'm very competitive.
Good. So, to begin with, this brand has been something that you guys have started on. How did you go about it? I mean, how did it appear? Why did it come to you? What are your thoughts on why you created this story?
Good afternoon, everyone. See, been in the business for very long, been a model, been an actor. Definitely there has to be a step forward in terms of what you have absorbed over the years from the business, from the experience that you've had, working very closely with such talented designers and stylists and worldwide. You know, we have had the opportunity of being exposed to a lot of talent. And definitely the next step was, you know, taking that little bit of knowledge forward. And when Label Corp approached me, you know, and we decided that, you know, let's do something which is fun, which is me, and let's do accessories because it's a kind of thing which completes an outfit. It completes your entire person. Like when you're stepping out, all you need is one thing and you can like look really great. So we decided to come together and it's been a wonderful experience. And today is a very, very special day. Preeta and her team is fantastic. I have loved every moment. The girls are extremely fashionable, trendy. They are very, very hardworking. And we have been catering amazing designs for everybody, for especially the Indian woman who doesn't have too much time in today's time to, you know, go to stores and stand in queues and, you know, wait for a long time, you know, to just get what they want. So we are providing you with great designs very easily, and been a wonderful, wonderful association. And today, thank you Nari, thank you Vikas, Amazon. It's a pleasure that, you know, we are taking a step forward, and we, the trunklabel.com and the clothes label, we are going to be available on Amazon India, and it's a big, big, big step.
You forgot to add the girls working at the trunk label, at the closet label, Corp,
Yes.
are also very good looking.
There's a trunk label.
Yeah.
Let me put that. There's a trunk label, there's a closet label, there's a home label,
Yes.
and we all are
On
They're
Amazon.
label
the
Corp.
label corp. And now we are on Amazon India. That's what it is.
That's what it is, great. So, Malaika, what are your thoughts? How come for you this, and how does what you're doing reflect your style, your personality?
Good evening, everybody. Hi, Nari.
Hello.
Hi, Dave.
Yeah.
Well, I definitely agree with everything that Bipasha said, because I think that's pretty much our sentiments over here. They're all very similar because we come from the same background where we've had this similar kind of exposure. So yes, I'll be very honest. When Preetha came to me, the label corp came to me and said this is what they want to do, I'd never shopped online before that. I had no clue what shopping online was. In fact, every time somebody says, give me your credit card details, I'd be like, are you crazy? No chance am I giving you my credit card
That means you
details.
have a big bank balance.
Yeah.
Let me tell you,
Get a credit
it was
card.
actually fear that's where I was coming from. So there were certain apprehensions that I had. And she sat and she spoke to me and she kind of gave me the whole rundown. And let me tell you, I'm a changed person today.
So-
Completely, yes. I can give you my credit card details pretty easily.
Oh, that's great.
Let's
I can
shop.
start shopping now.
Let's talk.
I'm
Let's
kidding.
talk.
Well, that's pretty much where it all started. And she said this is what they want to do with the closet label. It just seems so interesting. We're so used to entering a store and shopping, standing in lines. But this was a completely different outlook, a different way of going about shopping. So I said, you know, come on, let's do it. And I think clothes is something that pretty much is synonymous from the kind of background that I come from. So I said this was the perfect next step for me to be venturing into. So yes, I second the same thoughts. I'm really glad that we could make this all happen. And of course, what better than Amazon to be tied up with?
Absolutely.
It doesn't get bigger than that. That's a no-brainer for anybody. So I think we're in good hands right now.
Great. So my next question is, when you thought of the brand, when you're acting in a film, you really not respond. You don't know what the response is going to be like. You know, people screaming, not liking, loving the film, all of that kind of stuff. But when you're doing something like creating clothes or accessories, and your name goes on it, do you have any fear of what people will think, or how do you go? I mean, how do you, because as designers you live with the fear that somebody's not going to like what you do at some point, you know? How do you deal with that?
Well, as I said, the team together, like we are all in sync. The girls are extremely intelligent and capable and talented. The entire team of, I'll talk about the trunk label. And yes, we're catering to all kinds of women. You know, there's not one particular kind of women that we're trying to target. And yes, there is always, some people will love it, some people will be like, okay, and some people will be like, okay, this is not my style. But I feel that if you come on the trunklabel.com, there is going to be something for every woman. And I'm pretty confident about it. And yeah, I don't have any second thoughts about the kind of accessories and the kind of products that we are trying to, sell. So I'm pretty confident about my team and the products. And also we take care of not only about the fashion part, what we take care is about, for me it's very important that I need to be comfortable with the accessory that I'm wearing, whether it's a shoe, whether it's a bag, whether it's a jewelry. It shouldn't leave some allergy on me. So everything, the quality of the products that we use is fantastic. The shoes, especially, they have to be comfortable because we are always on our feet. We are not those women who are just, going for a brunch or anything, and we do more than that.
Kitty party, really.
That's also there. You definitely can shop here also. But I'm just saying it's for women who are on the go, on the run. So they need to be comfortable with the kind of products they are putting their money in. And what's really fabulous that the entire team is in sync, and we look forward to fashion, being stylish at the same time comfortable.
Fantastic. Malaika, just a question.
Do you want me to say something?
No. So, Malaika, how do you go about doing this? Is there a process on how you build what you're doing? How do you choose the prints, colors? What's the process you follow when you do? Because running fashion for people from outside